Alrighty, so today we're going to be working with the Barretto Stump Grinder, and we're going to go ahead and get that all grinded up right behind you. So I'm going to show you the 5 tree stumps that we're going to be cutting down. So here are my 5 tree stumps. We're going to go ahead and get that cleaned up. We do have to be careful of our little power thingy right here. But beyond that, we're going to go ahead and get this job done. So let's go ahead and go over the basic mechanics of this machine. Obviously, these levers on the right, they pull back, they go backwards, push forward, and they will go forward. Right over here, we've got this little joystick. If you engage it to the left or the right, it will move the head. Of course, you can click the trigger, which will engage the blade. And of course, we've got a lever action here. Push it down, it goes up. Push it up, it goes down. Pretty straightforward. So one tip that I did get from the equipment rental was to make sure that I'm taking only small bites out of this and slowly coming down and taking small little chunks out of the tree trunk. Otherwise, I may end up getting my blade to bog down, causing potentially engine damage and damaging your blade. But I'm going to go ahead and stop yapping, enjoy some of this footage, and watch this machine in action. Here's the aftermath of what it looks like after using the stump grinder. You can't even tell that there were stumps here. Last but not least, it's always important to go ahead and wash your gear after you're finished using them, especially if you rented them. What a cool piece of equipment. If you haven't had the chance to use the stump grinder, feel free to check out the link in the description if you're in mid-Michigan. Again, we will always share any local businesses that we find out here on our journey learning about new things in the States. And this tree trunk grinder was really, really cool. I thought for something like that to really reduce the amount of time you spend on a big project, make taking hours versus days on something like removing tree trunks. But I'm going to keep it pretty short, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for joining us on our journey. And as always, mahalo, and we'll see you in the next one. Episode 2 coming soon. Thanks for watching our video. Join us next time on another episode of our Family Fun Adventures. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We try to post every 2 to 3 weeks. Aloha.